How to download and install Messenger Lite app. So if you want to download and install Messenger Lite app, then first of all you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you have to open up your Play Store. And after opening, you will have a search bar on the upper side. You can simply tap on the search bar and then search for Messenger Lite. And after searching, here you will have your Messenger Lite. So if you want to download or install this application, you can simply tap on install. You will have an install option, but for now I don't have that install option because I have already downloaded it. So I have the open option instead of install. So if you want to download, then you will have an install option instead of open option. You can simply tap on install, and after that it will start downloading. And after downloading, you can tap on open, and then you can use your Messenger application by simply logging into your account. And that's it. That's how you download and install from your Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.